everyone! Today, we're introducing one of the most important components in heavy machinery, the heavy-duty industrial gearbox. This gearbox is the core of power transmission for equipment like drilling rigs, mining machines, compressors, and heavy manufacturing systems. A heavy-duty gearbox is designed to handle extreme loads, maintain stable torque, and operate continuously in harsh environments. By converting speed and increasing torque, it ensures that heavy machinery runs efficiently, safely, and reliably. Without a robust gearbox, many industrial machines simply couldn't perform at their full potential. Whether you need a gearbox for mining, drilling, metallurgy, or oil and gas projects, our solutions are trusted by top global brands worldwide. If you want to learn more about how our industrial gearboxes work, how to select the right solution for your equipment, or explore our custom gearbox options,